Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my AI Video Pro review. My name is Keiron Hogg. In this AI Video Pro review, I'm going to show you the members area. We're going to look at the sales page. We're going to see their bonuses, and I put some exclusive bonuses tailored to this particular program that you're going to want to stick around for, and also my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses. So let's get into it. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, my friends. This is my channel where I do product reviews and also teach you other ways to make money online. AI Video Pro is a ChatGPT powered app that will allow you to create video shorts, YouTube video shorts, in a matter of 30 seconds. So guys, TikTok is doing very, very well. So other programs like Instagram and YouTube are pouring a lot of resources to challenge TikTok, take that marketplace. So this is a perfect time that you should be considering YouTube Shorts. So guys, if I take you here to my bonus page, we're going to learn about viral short videos on YouTube. Like I said, it takes 30 seconds. You can flood your offers, products, and services with laser targeted buyer traffic and make a killing selling anything online. Forget about wasting valuable time trying to create videos yourself. Never pay for expensive freelancers again. Okay, and also this particular program, AI Video Pro, is going live on Wednesday, February 15th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and it is being launched by Venkata Ramana. He has released many products in the past, so this might be one that you like. And we will look at the price and the upsells and see if there is something, an upsell that also might be able to benefit you. Guys, this is going to stay up for 5 days and 20 hours as I'm doing this, so you got plenty of time. There is a video promo in here that I'm going to leave in the description down below that I'll let you watch on your own time, but we're going to play around in the members area in just a moment. So what is AI Video Pro? This is a next generation ChatGPT powered app that creates videos in 30 seconds. So guys, it is done all for you. It's using advanced algorithms. You just type in a few keywords. You can get thousands of views in any niche. Many people are on YouTube, 2 billion or so. So the trend to watch videos, especially with our short attention spans, is becoming shorter and shorter. So these shorts are an actually fantastic way to get your message across. Here is the price and the upsell. And guys, I do have a bonus, excuse me, not a bonus, a discount code for you as well. If you type in the promo code AirPro5, I will write that here so you can see it on the screen. You will also get $5 discount as well. So guys, we're going to check this all out in just one moment, but let's take a look in the members area. So we've got some training here. Here's the dashboard. We have the AI text creator, the AI voice creator, audio merger, AI video creator, agency users, a reseller, and if you want the upgrades, this is where you would get that as well. So I want to take you to the AI video creator. Okay, so I'm going to take you in the create AI video. First thing we want to do is just give it a title, Keiron Hogg demo. Resolution, we can go with YouTube short. Content, I'll type in health and fitness. Search. Okay, so here's our content. We just want to copy that and then paste it down below. And what I want to do after every sentence, I can just add a new slide. Okay, next step, now we can change the font if we want. I'll put an impact. I'm going to leave the font color white, and the background image, I'm just going to maybe make it a little bit blue, like so. And female, we have different kinds of voices. We have male and female from different kinds of styles. I'll just pick the first one here, Amber. And background music, default, sure. I'll leave it like that. And stylish rock beat trailer, sure. Okay, Keiron Hogg demo. You can download that. Right there, save it. Oops. Excuse me, guys. Oops, I want to go back here. I forgot to show you one thing. I can also edit it further. So if I go into edit, I can put text in here. All right, so I can.
Health and fitness are two important aspects of life that can help to maintain.
So I could say
A healthy lifestyle. Health.
I could have a watermark. So I could write the watermark here. So hello, Keiron here. Okay. And I can change the speed if I want. I can trim it. I can put an image in here, so I could choose an image. Video, I could select a video to put in here, and different audio as well. Okay. So guys, if I just double click it here.
Refers to physical, mental, and social well-being that can be achieved through proper nutrition and exercise. Fitness is the ability to be physically active and to do everyday activities with a minimum level of effort. In order to achieve good health and fitness, it is important to have a balanced diet.
All right, guys. So what I think you'd have to do is you would have to turn down the volume of the background music. So I think I had it too high. So that's something that you would have to look at, okay? And this text is a little bit flowing over on the side. So I'm sure there's a way around that, but in this particular demo, I don't really know how to get around it at this point. And also, guys, let me take you here to the AI text creator. So you could just put some text in here. Create. Okay, so here you go. You could just regenerate that, or you could just keep this as you want and add that into blogs or any other material that you might want. You can do your AI voice creator. You have a new voice here, or you could even do your own voice. So you could title it Keiron. Enter your text here, and then you pick what voice you want. And you can put your output volume, and then just generate your voice. And you could even have my voice, so you could even say it yourself, right? So here's some other ones here. I'll just play.
How to make money. Hello, my name is Randy.
Okay. Audio merger, you can create. So you would title it here, background music. You could add different background music. You've got some already saved in the library here. Your voice file list, and merge and create. Now, guys, the agency users, that is where you're going to be able to use this and basically be able to create content for other people, and you can have your own kind of freelance business. Reseller rights, this is where you're going to get bumped up to 100% and have 100% on the whole funnel, and your upgrades will be here. Let me take you now to my bonuses and how I think they really will complement this product. So my bonuses are mostly about YouTube and making videos, looking at the algorithm and helping you work with the algorithm so you can rank faster. So this is 3 ways to explode your YouTube view rate. Now I use these every time I upload a video. Also, guys, 4 tricks to getting huge YouTube view time as well. I also use these. And here's another product, 11 things that you should be doing to grow your YouTube channel fast. So if you incorporate all 3 of these tricks and bonuses, you're going to see a nice jump in your growth rate in your subscription rate and just in your overall viewing rate. And also, guys, my mega bonus bundle of 270 bonuses for free. That's right. It's got everything in here. I'll just show you in a moment. And also vendor bonuses that we're going to look at in just a moment as well. Now, to get these bonuses, you guys, you're just going to click on any of these yellow tabs, and it's going to take you over to the sales page like so. What you do is click on any of the buttons to get instant access, and that's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue button there, and then it's going to take you to my bonuses that are all waiting here. So if I just click on my mega bonus bundle, there is so much value in here, guys, thousands of dollars. You're going to get all kinds of things, how to write emails, how to get build your email list, blogging, organic sales, paid traffic, organic traffic, social media, WordPress, how to create a website, other freelance ideas, also things that aren't related to affiliate marketing, such as real estate. You're going to get print on demand, for example, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all kinds of ways that you can be using this to help your business grow. Also, other ways to learn how to make money online. So they're just 55 pages of these, guys, that I've collected, and it's been updated recently as well. So it's got a bunch of new ones. It's got Twitter as well, TweetX, and Bing ads, and it just keeps going over and over and over. So all that is here waiting for you. All right, now we'll take a quick look at the sales page here. I don't want to spend too long on it. All you have to do to access the sales page is just to click again on any of the buttons, and it'll take you right to the sales page so you can look at it in more detail. Okay, so we've already looked at the headline. It's newbie friendly, create dozens, even hundreds of high profitable videos, full commercial based, cloud based, one-time fee, zero tech skills needed. We have some testimonials here. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. You got to see it in the demo. Let me just take you down to the bonuses that you're going to get. And guys, again, you're going to get the AI voice creator, the AI content generator, regenerate the content of your video as many times as you want, unlimited customization, give your videos some beat, some music, the perfect resolution for YouTube Shorts. AI Video Pro is extremely convenient, and 100% original video content that won't get you in trouble. You click instant publishing to YouTube Shorts or download to your computer. Perfect for agencies, and you can also get the reseller rights. So here are some of the different niches that you can be using it for. And this is just a really long sales page here, guys. Now here are the bonuses: the Lazy Affiliate Blueprint, the Paycheck Multiplier, Perpetual Authority System, Crypto Affiliate System, the 9-to-5 Eliminator, Traffic Machines, Turn Words into Online Cash, Autopilot High Ticket Commissions, 1 Week Moolah, Traffic Hacker, and all the values. So they say it's going to be 5,000 plus. And guys, let me take you to the price and the upsells here. So the front end, like I said, you're going to get that $5 discount. So it's actually only going to be $12. You're going to get all the value, all my bonuses, and all of Venkata's bonuses. And then, guys, the unlimited at $39. So you'll be able to unlock everything. You'll be able to do more. You'll have more features. The next one is the done for you. So if you're busy and you want this as a business running behind the scenes as you take care of your other businesses, this is what you would want. Your AI Video Pro automation at $39, and the agency and reseller edition at $47, and the bundle at $39. You're going to get access to 4 incredible apps for $1 time low price. So again, this is just the main points that I just talked about in the sales page. And if you do want this, guys, you're going to get all of my bonuses to help you convert faster with YouTube. Also, my mega bonus bundle. All right, you guys. So this concludes my review on AI Video Pro. I think it is satisfactory, in my honest opinion. Um, it has some value. It can create content quickly, which I like. What I Maybe I was doing the training not so correctly, but you got to see some bleeding out on the sides from the text, which of course you don't want. You want all the text inside your dimensions, right? So that is something that maybe in the training, maybe I was doing it wrong. And also video files, I didn't know how to insert different slides. So they were just doing text slides. So that part I didn't like so much about it. If this is a product that you are looking for, to something that is to create really fast videos with video images and slides with actual pictures, I'm going to put another product up here that you might want to check out as well. It is similar, but I think it does more things in my opinion. Okay. And guys, if you do decide to get it and you use my link, I have an extra bonus for you. I'll be giving you a thank you email asking you to whitelist my email. And if you do that, I will be giving you another bonus. Guys, I made this video to serve you, to give you some information about this product. We talked about some things that I liked about it, some things I don't really like so much about it. And if you got value from that, please give me a like. And if you have any questions about it, just leave them in the comments. And if you want some free training, you can check out my free training down below. There are also some other links down there that I really encourage you to check out. There's a fantastic way to make passive income that is completely on autopilot that you might want to check out. You might be interested in as well. All right, my friends, this has become a bit of a long one, so I'll wrap it up. Best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you very soon. Take care.